Hello, in front of me I've got Tecno Spark Go. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter security and go to screen lock. As you can see right here, we've got 5 types of screen locks: non-swipe, pattern, pin and password. We are going to use each one of them to unlock the phone, and let's start with none. Now let's select swipe, pin. To select pin, enter at least 4 numbers. And now let's select password. To select password, enter at least 4 characters. In the end, let's select pattern, and to create pattern, connect at least 4 dots. Now, enter fingerprint, and to scan your fingerprint, select Add Fingerprint and scan it on the fingerprint sensor located on the back of the phone. Tap the fingerprint sensor multiple times and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Tap Finish. And now let's use the fingerprint to unlock the phone. In the end, let's select Face Unlock. And now scan your face in this area. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.